ready quickly. We're gonna start with the prep, of course, the warm moisturizer, and we're gonna apply it. Cute lip balm. Then, this is the game changer. We'll apply it. For sure. Not too much, not too less. And I just like to rub it wherever I need. Next is the concealer. बहुत ही थोड़ा सा concealer लगाएंगे. बहुत थोड़ा because natural look है baby. And we'll just blend it out. Now it's almost blended and we need to use CC cream. Yes, this is the Lakme CC cream in the shade beige. We'll put dots on this, rub it. You have to spread evenly and nicely. So you can just, this is blended really good. किसी भी कॉम्पैक्ट से you can set your under eyes after using cream or wherever. If you think there's a need, you can favorite part is applying blush. I'm looking rosy here. I like to keep it till here so it just don't look unnatural. Now my lashes need some lift, so we'll use this mascara. This is gorgeous. By the way, we'll just apply a little bit because I don't need any dramatic effect today. Then we will apply eyeliner. And for that we have the Blue Heaven Get Bold eyeliner. This is the cheapest. I think this is in $60, but this is a wonder. For lipstick I have this nude shade right here. The name is Wake Up Makeup. And we'll just and we are almost ready. And the last step is again the lumi cream. And apply it as a highlighter. Just a little bit. And look at the glow. I just love this. Freaking love this. And I'll apply everywhere. From NYX, no, this is from the Swiss Beauty. And we'll just very refreshing. And this is the final result. I hope you liked and follow for more. Bye.